everyone, welcome to this channel. And if you're new here, this is Shri, and I'm going to talk about my first quarter reading list. And in that, I'm going to pick one book and going to talk about this particular book, Desipreneur 0.0 by Santhosh Muruganandam. And let's get started. So this is one amazing book, and this book is for someone who wanted to start their own business. This book is for someone who wanted to be their own boss. If you wanted to run your business efficiently, at least if you have any idea of entrepreneurship in the future, this book is for you. And this book is not for someone who wanted to sit in a 9 to 5 job, and so you get it, right? So this book is such an interesting book. Okay, let me tell you one reason why you need to buy this book. I bought this book and I finished it in one sit, like about 2 to 3 hours on a Sunday morning, just like this. I'm shooting this video on a Sunday morning, and tada, the book is over. And you know what? This book has just 98 pages in it, and you don't want this book to get over because that's the feeling that the author has created. Okay, now it's time to talk about the author of this book. This book, Desipreneur 0.0, is written by Santhosh Muruganandam. So if you wanted to know Santhosh Muruganandam, or if you're someone who doesn't know who he is, you can just go browse Kolapasi. Okay, Santhosh Muruganandam is an entrepreneur, and he's the co-founder of Kolapasi, which is a takeaway kitchen brand. Started in Chennai, and now it is going places. Literally, it is going places all around the world. Honestly, trust me, guys. This brand is doing an amazing job with the founders. If you wanted to know who he is someone who does a lot of talks in B schools, colleges, conferences, and everywhere. You can also see a lot of videos on YouTube. There are n number of videos, and if you had known him, then definitely and obviously you must have known him through any of the YouTube videos or something. And so let me tell you how I came to know this person. So Santhosh Muruganandam, he did a talk in our college, and I really missed it, and my friends were saying, oh, that was amazing, and many things. I was like, oh god, I missed it. Okay, let me see who he is and what he's doing on YouTube. And I searched on YouTube, and I saw a lot of videos, and the first thing that came was Josh Talks, and you can just get inspired within that one video. And that's how the author creates the vibe with the people who watches his videos, or who reads this book, or who just listens to what he's talking. And that's a real vibe. He's such a gentle and a friendly person I've come across. And coming to this book is a blueprint for all the persons who wanted to start a business, who wanted to quit their 9 to 5 job and do a business, or someone who is already like doing a business and wanted to fine tune it, and has a lot of information in this book, which is definitely not in any of his talks or any of his sessions, or any of the books that we learned in B schools or colleges or whatever other books. So the reason why he started writing this book was when he was in the thought of starting a business. He was a novice, and he looked into a lot of books, but everything was like a high-end entrepreneurial books. When we are a novice, we need books which can be easily digestible, and that's exactly this book. I can vouch for this book because this is something really inspiring, and it kept you really don't want this book to end. That's how the author has created it. And this book is very friendly. It's like one-on-one conversation you have with the author, and that's what made this book really special. And one more thing that I wanted to talk about this book is all the concepts are very crystal clear and can be easily digestible. It helps you a lot. It clears all the blockages that you have when you wanted to start a business. And that's how this book is. And there is one more interesting thing that I wanted to share with you all. So after reading this book, I messaged this person, and you know what he did? He just called me, and he just wanted to hear the reviews lively. So it was so amazing talking to him, and you know what? We became friends. That's the nicest part. Okay, he is an entrepreneur. More than that, author and a reader relationship is amazing. So you will definitely love this book. I'm not going to talk about the concepts that are inside because I wanted you to read this book. And you know what? This is an author signed copy. See, this is an author signed copy. This is the first book that I've got like author signed copy, and that's really a big thing for me. If you're an entrepreneur, if you wanted to do something in the future, or if you're already in the brainstorming part with your friends to do something, and if you wanted to quit 95 or something like that, please go grab this book. It will give you all the ideas. It will put a basement for all your entrepreneurial ideas, and you can start ahead. You can go ahead with this. And he's also coming with another book. I hope it will come soon. Okay, let's stay tuned for that. And with this, I'm going to end this video. I know this video is not something that's talking about the concepts here, but definitely this video is to give a move or an urge to read this book. This is just a 98-page book, so you will definitely love it. Even if you're not a reader, you will definitely love it. And as I said, the pages are also less, so you can finish it in one read. This is an amazing book. Please don't wait or postpone to buy this book. So yeah, go read it. See you in another video. Bye bye.